Hello! Today we are going on an exciting adventure under the sea. Can you see all the marine creatures? They look like they're dancing happily. But wait, what's that sound? Oh no! Oh no! Ah! A shark is coming! Oh no! The figures are broken! Don't worry, everyone. Let's shape them using this colorful Play-doh. Can you help me bring the sea creatures back? Go with this pink color. Flatten the dough using a rolling pin. Roll it back and forth. The dough is ready. Choose this green mold. Place the mold and the shaping piece on top of the dough. Press down evenly along the edges. Go ahead and remove it from the mold. Remove the excess. And let's see the result. Let's add a little decoration. Let's decorate its eyes, nose, and mouth. Can you guess which sea creature this is? That's right, it's an adorable starfish. Wow, look, they're performing. They look just like ballet dancers. Oh wow, there are 2 tubs of modeling clay here. Which color should I choose? Now let's use this blue color. Now press this ball of dough until it flattens out. Rolling up and rolling down. Next, which mold should we use? The red mold. Place the shaping mold on top, then press down firmly. And don't forget to remove the excess. Take it out of the mold and ta-da! Let's do a little decorating. That's right, it's a dolphin. Dolphins are intelligent and friendly marine creatures that love swimming, leaping, and playing in the ocean. We found the winner of the swimming contest. Congratulations! Let's choose this green color for the next mold, everyone. Now we need to roll the dough out nice and flat. Roll it up and down. Very good. Whoa! What is this? It's Shark! Hey, give our cookie cutter back! Oh no, we need to find the cutting mold again. Hurry up, everyone! Look, everyone, there's something in the sand. Let's dig it up. It's a piece of a turtle mold. Let's dig a bit more here. Oh, look! Is that our cutting mold? That's it! Now let's get back to the mission. Let's redo the green dough. The dough is ready now. We need to press the cutter into the dough really fast before the shark comes back. Remove the excess dough. Let's lift off the mold. Which clay figure should we decorate? Can you guess which marine creature this is? That's right, it's a sea turtle. Sea turtles help keep the ocean healthy. They are also very friendly. Which mold should I use now? Let's use this one. It's yellow. So go ahead and use the yellow powder. A touch of magic helps flatten the dough. Then place the shaping mold on top. Next, press down firmly. Let's remove the excess modeling clay. Lift up the mold. Can you guess which sea creature this is? Let's add a little more decoration. Ta-da! It's a sea crab! Wow! We found ourselves an amazing drummer, everyone! Our guy looks so cool, doesn't he? All right, you're doing a great job. Now let's move on to the next animal. We'll choose this one. I'll choose red. Let's get the dough nice, smooth, and flat. A little bit of magic. Now press the cutter and the shaping tool into it. Let's get rid of the excess. Open it. Now let's take a look at the result. Wow, our clay animal is finished. Oh, it looks like something is coming. Oh no, It looks like the octopus got scared and turned black. We need to do it all over again. Now let's flatten the red dough. Great, the dough is ready. Press the cutter into the dough and wait to see the results. Open it. Excellent. We also need a little more for him. Here's the octopus. Do you know what octopuses and starfish have in common? That's right. They are both amazing marine invertebrates with multiple tentacles, meaning their bodies are incredibly flexible. Now let's make a beautiful seal. We'll need a little bit of purple. Flatten the dough with a rolling pin. Try to keep your pressure even, just like before. Great, the dough is ready. Next, place the mold on top. Then, press down firmly and remove the excess. Now, can you guess which marine creature this is? That's right, it's a seal. Even though he lives on the coast, he loves playing in the water. Oh no! Look, it's a shark! Run! Ah, so she was scolding the baby shark. That's right. We mustn't bully our friends, everyone. And see you all again on another exciting trip. Goodbye! Daddy shark doo-doo-doo-doo, Mommy shark doo-doo-doo-doo. All right, today let's go hang out with the sharks.
Look, here they are! These sharks are so cute!
Whoa, what is that? It's an octopus. What is it doing? Oh no, look! The sharks are all ruined. Don't worry, we'll remake them using these molds. Let's make the shark first. The green mold, I think we should use the yellow dough. We need to roll the dough out until it's nice and smooth. Press the mold into the dough. Don't forget the shaped piece here. Great! Trim off the excess, and now let's see the finished result. Ta-da! The shark is all done. The belly is white. Here are the eyes, nose, and whiskers. Great! The grandpa shark is all done. Now come over here and wait for the rest of the family. Let's move on to the blue mold. We'll use the blue dough. Make the dough nice and smooth. Wonderful, the dough is ready. Now place the cutter and the shaping piece in here. Now let's take a look at the finished product. Wow, a beautiful shark. Let's add some decorations here. A white belly and strong teeth. Don't forget the eyes and nose. Daddy Shark is all done. Come over here and join Grandpa while we wait for the other family members. Look everyone, what color is this mold? Orange! That's right, let's use the orange powder. I'll use my hands to flatten the dough and make it look nice and smooth. Roll up and down evenly. Great! Place the mold onto the dough, press down evenly on all the edges, and don't forget the shaping tool. Now remove the excess dough. Wow, we've got ourselves an orange shark. Oh no, a big turtle. Hey, watch out! No! The orange shark is broken. Don't worry, let's make a new fish together. Now, let's roll out the red dough nicely. Press the mold into the dough. Great! Now, let's add the decorations for the eyes and nose. Grandma Shark is all done now. Grandma Shark, stay close to Grandpa Shark, okay? Another shark mold. Let's make the next shark in pink. Flatten it out. We need to roll out the dough with a rolling pin, rolling up and down. Very good. Now place the cutter on the dough and press down evenly along the edges. Let's get rid of the excess flour. Wow, a beautiful pink shark. Now, let's add some decorations to the belly, eyes, nose, mouth, and face. The mommy shark is all done. Mommy shark, go join the family and wait a little while for the baby shark. Now, let's make a baby shark. Oh no, the waves have washed the shark mold away. What is this? It's kinetic sand. Let's see what's underneath. Oh, a seashell. Let's put it over here. Now let's dig around here and see if there's anything. Oh, that's a shark-shaped cutter. It must have been washed in by the waves. Let's move it over here. Let's dig in the sand here. Wow, what is that? Ta-da! It's the other piece of our shark mold. Great! We need to flatten the green dough. A little bit of magic. The dough is ready. Now press the cutter firmly onto the dough. Let's take a look at the results together, everyone. Let's decorate the baby shark. That's great. Now he's ready to go home with his family. Today, baby shark is going for a walk with his family. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.